Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover right half numerical pyramid, and this is the classic coding challenge to build and help to master in the nested loop. So let's start in the right half numerical pyramid. So in the previous video, which I share in the description box, we cover in the right half star pyramid where we use the star, but in this video we cover the numerical pyramid. So in the numerical pyramid, we also use the rows and columns and the secret relationship between rows and the numbers. Basically, we understand here that the rows 1, so the number only 1, and the row 2, the number also 2, and the row 3, the number also 3. So basically, this is the secret relationship between the number or star and the rows. So basically, this is the basic concept and the outer loop. Here, how many loops will be run? Here the two loops will be run. First loop will be outer loop, and we say that it iterates from rows only, and the second loop inner loop, which we say that it iterates on the columns. So basically this is the basic concept of the right half numerical pyramid, and in the outer loop we say that the how many times the outer loop runs. So basically we also say that the outer loop, we say the outer loop run 5 times, because the how many rows here, the 5 rows here, so the outer loop also run 5 times. And the how many times inner loop runs, so inner loop have a condition which is less than and equal is the outer loop, because the inner loop cover what is the print in the rows, and the outer loop cover up to down, means the rows cover and the inner loop cover what is the print in the rows. So basically in the dry run we also understand how the outer loop and the inner loop run. So according to this code we say that the outer loop iterate the rows and the inner loop iterate the columns, and the inner loop have the condition j less than and equal to I. So the outer loops tell the rows number of rows it print, and the inner loop tell the in the rows what the value, what the condition and what thing are printed. So let's try run the code. I equal 1 and enter in the inner loop when the j equal 1, and then enter the loop. So print j value is, we say that 1, and then again updated the j value. So when I equal 1 and j equal, we say that I equal 1 but j equal 2, and check the condition. It is correct, so it give false. So this line not printed, and the loop will be and or break and print the one single line, and then updated the I value. So again I is updated 2 and j equal 1, and print the j. So first the j value is, we say that 1, and then again updated the j value. So the j value will be, say that 2. So after j value 2, so print the j value. So here we print 2 per second, print 2, and then j value we say that 3, and check the condition. So it give false, so it not run. So basically when again we say that I equal 3, because when this loop end, so updated the outer loop. So updated the outer loop, so I equal 3 and j equal 1, and print the j. So we say that 1, and then updated the j value. So we say that 2, and then print here will be 2 value, and then updated the j value will be 3, and then print the value is 3, and when j value is 4 and check the condition, so it give false. So according to this loop we say that I initialize with 1 and j also initialize with 1. I less than and equal rows, but j less than and equal I. So according to the I value, j runs, but j always started from 1 when entered the loop. So that is the important point. When the outer loop updated and enter in the inner loop, so j initialize with 1, and this is the basic code. but here is the integer row equal 5. So according to this, we say that after that it printed फिर I equal 4 and j equal 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times j run and iterate and print 1, 2, 3, 4. And again I equal 5 and j equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and print the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we also see that I equal 1, so the j also run 1 times. Equal 2, so j runs 2 times. I equal 3, so j iterate 3 times. I equal 4, j iterate 4 times. And I equal 5, so j iterate 5 times. The second thing is I equal 1, so print only one value, means the row equal 1, so value also print 1. Row equal 2, so value 2, and row equal 3, so value printed 3. Row equal 4, so value printed 4, and row equal 5, so value printed 5. So basically this is the secret relationship between the rows and the number or stars. In the VS Code, first we write the number of rows we want to print, so we print 5 and then write outer loop. So first rows integer I equal 1, I less than equal rows and I plus plus, and we write enter inner loop. So the inner loop we write integer j equal 1 and j less than equal I and j plus plus. So we print system.out.print, we print j plus space. Okay, and here we print the line system.out.println. Basically this line print the value and this line print a single empty line. Okay, so let's print the output. So we write output when pattern dot java. So the output is in the first row only one print, in the second row 1, 2 print, in the third row 1, 2, 3 print, in the fourth row 1, 2, 3, 4 print, and in the fifth row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 print. And if the rows are equal 10, so what the output will be printed? So output will be see that first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, nine, and 10. 10 rows will be printed, and according to the rows, the number will be printed. Thank you everyone. I hope you all understand the right half numerical pyramid, and in the next video, we all cover the next patterns and different patterns using nested loops. So thank you everyone.